Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to make money on Temu. Temu is a popular e-commerce platform that offers a unique opportunity for individuals to earn money by selling products to a large customer base. To get started, you need to create an account on Temu, which is a straightforward process that requires basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you can start browsing the platform to find products that you want to sell. Temu offers a wide range of products, including electronics, fashion items, home goods, and more. You can filter products by price, category, and shipping time to find the best options for your business. To make money on Temu, you need to become a seller on the platform. This involves setting up a virtual store where you can list your products and manage your sales. Temu provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to create and manage your store. You can add products to your store, set prices, and manage your inventory with ease. One of the key concepts to understand when selling on Temu is the concept of drop shipping. Drop shipping is a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. Temu offers a drop shipping program that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory. To be successful on Temu, you need to provide excellent customer service. This involves responding to customer inquiries, resolving issues, and providing refunds when necessary. Temu provides a messaging system that allows you to communicate with customers and resolve issues quickly. Another important concept to understand is the concept of marketing. Marketing is the process of promoting your products to potential customers. Temu provides a range of marketing tools, including social media integration, email marketing, and advertising. You can use these tools to promote your products and attract more customers to your store. In terms of best practices, it is essential to optimize your product listings with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. This will help customers find your products and make informed purchasing decisions. You should also set competitive prices and offer discounts and promotions to attract more customers. Finally, it is essential to monitor your sales and analytics to understand how your business is performing. Temu provides a range of analytics tools that allow you to track your sales, profits, and customer behavior. You can use this information to make data-driven decisions and optimize your business for success. In conclusion, making money on Temu is a straightforward process that requires creating an account, setting up a virtual store, and selling products to customers. By understanding key concepts such as drop shipping and marketing, and by following best practices such as optimizing your product listings and providing excellent customer service, you can build a successful business on Temu and earn a significant income.